Hello mathematicians, I hope after watching this video and getting in a little bit of practice you can say I can solve one-step equations with a fractional coefficient. Let's look at an example here. So we're given 3 over 8x equals 6. So we see that this x has a coefficient of 3/8. Okay, and we can see 3/8 is multiplying our x right here. So how we go about solving these problems with a fractional coefficient is we're going to use our inverse operations. So in order to do this, we're going to multiply this side by the fraction's inverse. Remember, the inverse is when you just flip the numerator and the denominator around. So we're going to multiply this by 8 over 3. And that, boom, the 3's are gone. Also, the 8's are gone. Okay, so now we've isolated a variable. All that we're left with is x on the left side of this equation. And if we multiply the left side by 8 over 3, we also have to multiply the right side by 8 over 3. So all we're left with on the left side is x, and x is equal to, well, 6 times 8 over 3. If we want to, we can put 6 over a 1. Okay, and then we just multiply straight across. 6 times 8, that is 48. 1 times 3, that is just 3, and we can simplify this now. 48 divided by 3, we know is equal to 16. So we get x is equal to 16. And if we wanted to, I think it would be good practice to get into verifying our solution. Let's go and input our answer of 16 into the equation we were given, which was 3 over 8x equals 6. So we'll put 3 over 8 times 16, which was what our answer was, or our solution was, equals 6. And 3 times 16 is 48 over 8 equals 6. And we see that 48 over 8, 48 divided by 8 is just equal to 6. So we get 6 is equal to 6, which is a true statement. So we get a good answer of x is equal to 16. So that is it for our video. I hope after watching this and getting in a little bit of practice, you can say I can solve one-step equations with a fractional coefficient.